What's up, guys? CFNYT here. Today I'm going to be working on my wife's 2017 Toyota Highlander. Water pump went out on it, quoted us $1,100 and $1,500 to get it changed, and I said fuck that, I'll just do it myself. So here I am in 92-degree weather with 85% humidity, sweating my dick off. I've got my tools here, I got the new parts here. I'm going to be replacing the tensioner, idler pulley, water pump, thermostat, serpentine belt as well. Let's get cranking. Now there should be a little clip behind here that I should just be able to push the center in and then pull it out. Wow! I also have had quite a bit of caffeine today, so I apologize if I start talking crazy. I'm gonna fold this over. My ass is so sweaty. I actually don't even have on underwear right now, but my dick is so small you guys probably won't even be able to tell. Now we have to get up under here and take that bottom pan off so I can drain out all the coolant. You guys ever heard a white guy say the N-word? You're about to.
Please you need to stop. There are children. Please stop.
I watched a YouTube video on this actually. I don't know how to do this off the top of my head, so don't get that impression. Probably still better with my car though. Oh my god. I'm glad I had glasses on for that. Easier. Like just regular bolts. RGF Island is crazy. I'm gonna have to change that. Yeah, a little bit of NBA Youngboy, never hurt nobody. I'm gonna turn this music down just a little bit so I don't get copyright. It's not like I'm monetized anyway, so oh well. It's the truth. Dude, it's freaking hot as balls. This whole shit should just come out. Except I've got it zip tied on the other side. Because I hit a raccoon like an idiot. Oh my god, it's like my pee. Alright, I'm gonna let that finish draining and then we'll take off some other stuff. Damn, long ass bolt. Must be nice. One Mexican down. And then this whole piece comes out. Wow. Beer number 2. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. If sexuality is a spectrum, then there is someone who is truly the gayest, and I'm thinking it's me.
You're fucking gay! I didn't have a choice. John, I didn't. You gay!
There is 7 bolts total holding this bracket in that I'm trying to pull out. There's a little clip down here that's kind of in the way of me being able to pull this out. I know I've only had 2 beers, but I've really loosened up on the camera. That's not working. So I want to try something else, but I don't know what I want to try. Dude, if I just had some freaking pliers, should I run to the store? Hey, if you guys weren't retarded and you were in my position, what would you do? I guess I'm gonna go to the store and I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, it has been a couple weeks. Last time you saw me, I was trying to get this out of my wife's car, and I ended up getting it out. I just had to get some pliers and get some stuff off. And I might have done a little bit of mining off camera. I don't know if you guys can see in there. That's where the water pump used to be. I already got it out. Since then, I've gotten the tensioner pulley out, I got the water pump out, thermostat. I have this handy dandy little diagram that I made of all the water pump bolts so I know where everything goes, and I've also got the torque spec of each of them down on here. I think it's beer time. Alright, so first I need to clean the main surface. So first I need to clean the main surface. Alright, first order of business, let's get some music going. My plan is to blow out all these bolt holes, make sure that there's nothing in it, because I do need to put sealant on a few of these bolts. I'm gonna clean up this mating surface. I have a nylon brush over on the table that I've cleaned up, and it shouldn't hurt the aluminum, so I'm gonna get to scrubbing and blowing on my knees. All of the bolts over here that are marked as 15 foot-pounds, I believe, have sealant on them. Yeah, you guys can see there's sealant on that one right there. Dude, it smells like fucking dog shit in here. So all of the bolts labeled 15 supposedly have sealant on them. So does this one, kind of. Okay, that's also got sealant on it. So this thing's been done before. Do all of these have fucking sealant on them? All of these are not supposed to have sealant on them. Whoever did this is retarded. Where my beer at? Okay, well now it's getting in my eyes, so safety glasses, cause
safety is #1 priority.
oh my god. Alright, I think I might have pooped in my pants. I got bleach on my t-shirt, now I feel like an asshole. What do I know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, I'm gonna finish grinding these up, and I will get back to y'all when I'm done. Alright guys, I just went inside and had some food. Now it's time to get back to it.
That would be really nice, actually, if you wouldn't mind doing that for me, please.
On the bottom, and you just make my hand.
Here, I'll hold it open while you put it in.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I'll help you from the top.
Yeah, I'm more of a bottom anyway. And ooh! My butt crack just came out for sure. Get in!
Going, baby.
Get the hell in!
Oh my fucking god! Get the hell in!
Not gonna work. It's the one that goes pretty much right where your left hand is.
Oh my god, it's in.
You've never been this close to me before.
This is really nice, actually.
Is your camera on?
Yes.
Bro, it's just getting my neck right now.
Steven here.
Where are you coming first?
You ever seen the Saudi Arabian rally car guy?
Uh-uh.
He's like, why you don't listen to me? I said to the right.
Uh-uh.
He's like, slow down. You need to slow down. Because you know, in the rally cars, it has the coach and the passenger
Oh,
seat
yeah.
through it.
Fast, sharp right. Fast, sharp right. Sharp right. Sharp right. Listen. Sammy, you have to listen to my call, Sammy, please. I beg you.
Hang on. One that I put in there did not have this on it. You're so cold. I don't know how to get that out. Wait. Yes, I do. Hex. I wonder if it's a 4. Holy fucking shit, it's a 4. Isn't that fucking insane? Isn't that fucking crazy? That's insane. You about to leave or some shit?
I got you, dude.
Fuck! Get the fuck off of me! It is on, Dad.
Did you order a man?
Do not redeem! Do not redeem the card!
Anyway, man, I'm gonna dip on out.
All right, bro.
Sorry, it's so short.
All right, big bro. I'll see you, bro. So do I look like him? Oh. That is fucking hilarious. Damn, so I fucked that up. When I hear this song, all I can fucking hear is the gay version.
You hear me? Hit the rollie, start with the rollie on. What was our getaway car? Jag portfolio. You hear me? Hey, I heard I had some sneak dishes.
I'm on beer number 4 and it's not looking too good. 6 and 7.
Can you believe it, guys? Just a week away. A week! Woohoo! I am so happy about this information.
I'm Chief Tweaker from the gas station. Water pump's back on, idler pulley's on, thermostat's on, hoses are back on, water pump pulley is on. I put the serpentine belts on. I just put this bullshit bracket back on. All 7 bolts, I had to fuck with them to get them back in there. I'm assuming this little bolt just gets torqued down to finger in my butt foot-pounds. Bless you! She didn't even hear me, did she? What an asshole. That's snug down on there. I'm assuming that's probably just about. Hello. Would like the Tim Hortons meal, please? Alright, I guess I'll leave that, run to the store, get some more coolant, and I'll be back. I am fucking starving. But I've been eating out a lot lately. I really don't need to be spending money and shit, so I'll just see when I get back home. Plus my ass big as hell too. I need to be eating healthy, not eating out. Yeah, can I get 4 McChickens? Okay guys, we're literally about to refill the cooling system and bleed it. I can't hit my protein. 50 nugget bombo clot. Lowest possible, but highest heat. Squeeze this hose, see if we can get any more air bubbles out of it. New shadow style. Scratch and sniff balls. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna be putting the front scrape pan back on, and then I'm gonna put her wheel back on, and then we're completely done. Other than I need to check the coolant or the radiator in the morning, make sure that it's full up to the top. Just kidding, battery is like dead, so I'm gonna put it on a trickle charger.